Morning guys. After a horrible experience riding a scooter out here for an hour, getting covered in dust, going past construction and having minivan after minivan after minivan pass me, dirt in my eyes, we're here at the Kuang Si Waterfalls, and I should really be catching an electric car to get to the falls like everyone else, but I'm so cold from the ride out here, I need the walk to warm up. Now it's going to be super touristed out, but most places are around Luang Prabang, so let's see how the day goes. After being pushed and shoved, we finally made our way in here, and the theory of getting here early before all the minivans has not worked. So we're going to be walking along this beautiful little jungle path with a few hundred people, and hopefully we can get some swimming in. So these guys are rescued moon bears from habitat destruction. There's two reclining on a hammock down there. One fella up here just chilling out. So there are a lot of tour groups here already. These are the lower falls. Doesn't look like there's any swimming involved here, but it is pretty. So these are the main falls that everyone has come here to see. Oh look, we got a little rescue dog. There's something in the water there. He's got a life jacket on. Looks like he's just doing his own thing. Good on him. Wish I could go swimming out there. So we found this little trail going up beyond the waterfall. There's no signs, but it's well worn, and I don't know where it's going. So, you know, find a pathway, you have to go check it out, don't you? 10 points for guessing what's beyond that handrail, but it's kind of nice up here. There's people swimming. We're away from the crowds. Still busy, of course, but and just like that, we've found ourselves on a 3-kilometre trail going to a cave and a restaurant. So we might do the 3k walk, have some food, do the cave, walk 3k's back, and then go for a swim when it is really hot. I mean, currently walking through pretty nice jungle, forest I should say, and there's no one else out here, which is kind of exactly what you want, away from all them crowds. It's just so nice when you have the forest to yourself. lots of little side trails. So I'm sure there's a few locals that live out here or care for the place. But wow, 40 meters to the cave. All right. And just like that, we're in caving mode again. It's funny how these things work out. Come to a horribly crowded place and you discover this tiny little cave system, which apparently is quite big. So lights on. Let's check it out. Nice little cabin. The whole place to ourselves. See if I can make a video here without tripping over or hurting myself. Oh, hello. Gautama Buddha. Nice to see you again, my friend. Thank you for taking care of me inside this cave. Oh, it goes for quite a while. Oh, it goes for quite a while. It's funny how you just decide to go off on a little trail and you end up on a whole different kind of adventure. And then, just like that, that ceiling collapses and you're choosing your own adventure through tight spaces. I don't have to take my pack off yet, but it is borderline. Oh, don't slip, don't slip. Oh, it is a little bit wet. And then it opens up again. Oh. All right, we've reached the turnaround point. So, you know, it's about a 20-minute caving turnaround time. Perfect little way to break the day up. After our little caving trip, we walked out onto this log in the middle of this beautiful little lagoon oasis. It's really pretty. Not too many people. Let's have a look around. And of course, just before I do sit down and have lunch, I found another little trail that follows this stream even further. It's got fresh footprints, so people have been here today. I have no idea where it's going. I'm a good 500 meters past the cafe, but who cares? Let's just see what's down here. And as luck would have it, check it out. We got another waterfall to see. We just got to remember to go back down this trail. This is turning into quite an adventure. I mean, the waterfalls are pretty, but it's been like 80 minutes since I left the waterfalls. So I found a sign that said 3 kilometres back to the Kuang Si Waterfalls, which is the waterfalls I started at this morning. We're not going to do a round loop. What I am going to do is go back to that cafe, sit down next to the water, have a beef or chicken noodle soup, and listen to the water go by. That's a pretty good day. So I was a little bit scared earlier because as I was walking through the forest on the way back here, I heard something growling at me from the bushes, only to realise that it was actually my stomach because I'm starving. So this will fix that, and maybe one of these. And then I guess it's a 3-kilometre walk back, and then we'll go for another. So what I just found out was that this beautiful stream that I've been having lunch by is actually a spring that comes out of the earth from the cave I was just at and feeds the waterfall we were looking at earlier. So we're at the very beginning of the whole system. I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, so we're walking back the same way we walked here, and I've come across this sign again, which is the sign we saw before lunch. So I've come from this path, and that little loop I did before must have been just a loop inside there, which then brings us back down to this path. So I did do the full loop. It just takes us back the same way. There you go. So what started out as a bit of an average day, fighting crowds and being pushed around, actually ended up being a really awesome day. You just have to make sure that you walk to the top, go to the village, check out the cave where this water wells from the ground in the natural spring. And now I've got fish eating my busted up feet, and it feels awesome. Later, guys.